Hello everybody, I welcome you all back to my channel. And as usual, if you're watching this video in the morning, good morning. In the afternoon, good afternoon. In the evening, good evening. And if you're watching it at night, good night. That's just by the way. If today is actually a very first time coming across this channel, please smash the subscribe button down there and hit the little bell to keep you updated of every upload of mine. And please give me thumbs up, share, and feel free to comment in the comment section down below. Let's interact. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for coming, and don't forget to share and tell a friend to subscribe so that that friend also can watch this video. Now to today's video. Today we'll be going to the kitchen. I love food so much that going to the kitchen means I'll eat pretty soon. So today we'll be going to the kitchen, and guess what we are going to prepare? Pasta. We'll be preparing spaghetti pasta today. I love pasta because it's not actually my favorite though, but I love it because it's very easy and yummy. It's easy to prepare, just easy step. Within 10 to 15 minutes your food is ready. I love pasta because it's really easy. When you are very hungry and you want something very quick and yummy, why won't you go for pasta? It's really easy. Let me just stop talking and let's go into the kitchen. Let's go. My frying pan on fire. I don't like too much oil, and this is vegetable oil. Just wanting it to evenly spread in there. My vegetable, onions, carrots, pepper, garlic, green pepper. I'm having chopped tomatoes here, then spring onion. So now let me just start with my onion, and I go with the pepper and this. So there you go. Now add the rest. This thing is really getting more than I expected. So as you can see, I'm just trying to fry up my vegetables a little bit for them to get just a little bit cooked. I have my tomatoes in here, my onions, spring onions, garlic, pepper, just add just a little bit of the Phapha vegetable oil. sunflower together. I want to eat my vegetables not too cooked. Yeah. So now I'm going to add badam. This is my onga. I'm going to add 1 full piece to it. Onga is that. And I'll now add black pepper. I don't actually measure my things. Badam, curry powder. Told you earlier on, I don't measure my things. Bam! Almighty turmeric. Turmeric is so healthy. Oh, I'm forgetting one thing. Isn't this so yummy? The aroma is just too good for my liking. I'm adding salt. So right here is my cooked spaghetti. I'm going to pour the whole show. Mindful of my stirring. When preparing this, you can add sardine, tuna chunks. You can even add meat if you prefer. As I told you already, this one is just something simple. You're very hungry. You don't want to waste too much money. It is then you prepare this one. And sure. This is going to be super delicious. And now our pasta is ready for consumption. This is really delicious, healthy because of the packed vegetables in there. Try it at home and let me know how yours is or yours tastes in the description. Try this at home and let me know how yours tastes in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye. Let me enjoy my pasta. Yeah, Alan.